Hello, in today's video I'll tell you how to use the Varoma correctly on your ThermoMix TM6. In order to use Varoma correctly, first let's talk about the settings. So you should fill your mixing bowl about half a liter for each half an hour of cooking. So that would be like if you're going to cook for an hour, you should put a liter of water at least in the mixing bowl. Then you could set the time, so I'll set it to that hour. Of course, some recipes use the Varoma, so they'll just set it for you and they'll tell you everything. But yeah, let's do it with that. And then the temperature has to be set to Varoma level, which is above 120. It's not really a controlled temperature. It just is a temperature. It makes sure your water steams. Now, when it comes to the speed to set here, typically you'd set it to 1 or 0.5 if you, just the either the spoon, the stirring mode, the 0.5 or 1. And also if you're doing it with water or with a soup, but if you are using if you're chopping something at the same time or mixing some thicker liquids in the mixing bowl at the same time, then you could use it from like 2 to 5. You shouldn't put it to more because it may automatically turn off heating if you put it to too high level to avoid spilling the hot water. So yeah, that is basically the first thing. Now let's focus on how to install it, and for that I'll put the camera up so we can see everything well. And now let's take the Varoma dish first. So I'll remove the measuring cup, leave the lid on, and put the Varoma dish on top. You can see it has these holes for the steam, and the lower level is for harder, for harder ingredients. For example, some harder meat, some harder vegetables, or just bigger portions of food. You can put it, but make sure not to cover all of the holes. Then you can put the tray on top and put even more things if you want. Now the things on top should be a bit more easier to cook, a bit thinner, like fish or seafood, or some vegetables that are either softer or more cut. Or you could also use, do eggs there, but you'd need to, if you wanted to do eggs on the steam, then you would need to put something on there so that it doesn't spill. Now you can put the cover on it, and then you could start cooking. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.